Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. The game ended. Chelsea quarter-final, first league in Poland. Chelsea versus Legia. Chelsea 3, Legia 0. Or Legia 0, Chelsea 3. In fact, the game wasn't easy. But before we come and talk about the game, guys, let's talk about these individual players who performed very well. And some miracles happened in this game from Enzo Maresca. So please watch this video till the end and don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Yes. Let's start with Trick George. Trick George. In fact, this guy scored his first professional goal for Chelsea. Yes, after joining Chelsea from the academy, this is his first professional goal for Chelsea. Yes, and he was good in this game. He was active, he was everywhere, he was running, yes, taking in runs, being in the box at the right time. He was on point. In fact, he played well this game. And these players, even if I see them in the Premier League starting 11, I will not be panicking. Yes, I will be okay. Yes, they are good. I like their fitness, their physique. Yes, they are not jail players or lazy players in which a player can just come and take a ball from him. No. He is fit, standing, showing that indeed he is really a young player, showing that indeed he is ready to play for Chelsea. So guys, this game, George played well, scoring his first professional goal for Chelsea. That is good. And another academy guy started this game, Jose Achampong. In fact, he also played very well, defended very well, had some ball recoveries. In fact, and Jose also the same thing. He was fit also. Yes, he wasn't lazy. He was doing the tacklings, winning the 50-50 battles, showing the energetic, the physique. Yes. That is what we want to. As a young boy, show it. We know that you haven't up to that level, but at the beginning, show some signs and symptoms for us to believe, for we the fans to believe that this guy, when given the chance, he will play. When given the chance, he will prove it. So this game also, our academy guy, yes, Jose Achampong also played very well. And as I said, all these kind of players, if you see them in Chelsea Premier League starting 11, you will be okay. Yes, because you know what they can do. They can deliver. But not when you are given the chance and you don't show it and you are expecting playing time. It can't happen. No. You have to play to deserve any playing time. Yes. And let's come to Jadon Sancho. The winger. Yes. The best winger, better than all Manchester United players. Yes. In fact, this game, Jadon started shooting. This game, he shoot. I think 2 shots on target. No, one shot on target and gave 2 assists. Yes, that is good. That is what we saw at the beginning from Jadon Sancho. Yes, giving assists, not just dribbling or being dancing with the ball, doing some azonto with the ball. No. Make sure that once you are dribbling, you give assists across the ball or even shoot. This game, he had 1 shot. Yes, he hit on target. That is what we've been crying for. Jadon is good. He had the footwork. I'm telling you, he can hold the ball, he can do the dribbles, but I don't know why. The shooting. He will do whatever he can do to find himself in the right position, in the right place, shoot. Jadon will be holding the ball or giving unnecessary passes. But this game, so far, so good for him. He played very well, giving 2 assists and 1 shot on target. That wasn't bad from Jadon Sancho. Yes. And let's come to Madueke. Yes, Charlie. Madueke, I don't understand. How? You didn't start the game. You just came in. Within some few minutes, you score. In fact, this game, you score a brace. I can't believe this. When Madueke was coming in fact, some of the fans who were complaining. Yes, but it works. He came in and scored 2 goals. Yes. And I like the first goal. I won't lie. The assist from that player who was holding I think Nkunku or George. Yes, the assist. He was having the chance to shoot the ball, but he decided to pass it to Madueke. And Madueke also didn't shoot the ball at once. He controlled the ball, took his time, and then put the ball at the back of the net. Yes, let's hope maybe the experience is coming back. Let's hope maybe the confidence is coming back. Let's hope he used this kind of games, yes, to bring back the form. The Wolf Madueke. Can you believe that this season, Madueke scored a hat-trick in the Premier League? Yes, they were dominating our attack, but unfortunately, Charlie, everything just vanished. So let's hope upon him scoring in this game, scoring 2 goals in this game, he can return to his fully confidence and yes, scoring his goals. Yes, again. So guys, this game also Madueke play very well. Yes, coming in the second half, scoring brace. Yes. And let's come to Nkunku. Christopher Nkunku. In fact, it's like every day in, day out, things are going worse for Nkunku. I'm sorry for the guy. I want Nkunku to play. I want Nkunku to perform for Chelsea. But as I said, every day we are seeing the bad side of Nkunku. We are seeing the bad form of Christopher Nkunku. This is not the Nkunku we sang. This guy was scoring goals for fun. I don't know whether the environment or whether he's not putting in the energy, he's not being serious. I don't know. Or Maresca. Because even last season under Pochettino, he was good. He didn't have more minutes last season under Pochettino, but he scored some number of goals. And last season, anytime that he returned from one of his injuries, he will score and then go back. He will score. But this season, look at the number of minutes he's having. Look at this game. Penalty, clean, finish, score the goal. Yes, maybe use it to bring your confidence back. He could not score. Penalty, I know it's not easy, but Chile, this is Conference League. This is Legia. So if you can't score penalty against Legia, what show that you can score against Ipswich Town? No. Chale. Nkunku, what is wrong? Oh guys, maybe Nkunku want to leave. Nkunku want to go, guys. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about Christopher Nkunku. Yes, because now, guys, it is worry. He is just bad. Recently, he is not playing good football. He is not playing anything for Chelsea. I'm telling you. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to Maresca's second half substitutions. Yes, substituting Tosin out. I don't know. I have to do my research after this video and see whether Tosin was injured or not. If not that, I don't see that substitution, the reason of that. Because, first of all, you are not giving him the playing time. Now, this is Conference League. Yes, less intensive game, less demanded game. Give him the playing time. Yes, let him also express himself. Like Tigo, let him exhibit himself. But you started him, nothing happened. Tosin was playing well. Maresca just substituted Tosin out and brought in Liverpool. We don't need Liverpool. And we all knew that our next game in the Premier League, Liverpool will start. He will be playing. So what should you do? Rest him and play those you are not using in the Premier League games. I don't know, guys. Or Tosin was injured. And even Cole Palmer substitution, yes, when the game went on, I saw that, okay, for that substitution, it was okay. Yes, just that at that time, we didn't score a goal. So that is why maybe some of the fans started complaining. But as the game went on, we saw it. The way the guys was putting in the tacklings, the energy, the aggressive. No. We can't afford to have Cole Palmer injured. Yes, so that was a good substitution. But, Charlie, that Tosin substitution, I haven't comprehended it. I haven't understand it. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about that. Was Tosin injured? Yes. And let's come to the game itself. In fact, we started the game difficult way. In fact, cumbersome way. In fact, they didn't make it simple or easy for Chelsea. Just because everybody in Poland, I said it in my preview, everybody will be there. Yes, on the ground, on the pitch. Yes, so the stadium was full to the maximum capacity. Yes, I like the atmosphere there. I'm happy. Big up those watching from Poland. Yes, you guys did a marvelous job. Yes, you come out with your numbers. That is good. So the game was difficult. In fact, Legia players, they were defending with bodies, with numbers. To some extent, like you can't even see a striker from them. They sat back, defended very well, make it uncomfortable and difficult for Chelsea. I'm telling you. But luckily, in the second half, yes, they open up. Yes, because in football, especially recently modern football, it will be very difficult for you to defend 90 minutes. So, for me, when the game started, they were defending very well, making it difficult. I knew that in the second half, we'll get them. Yes, we'll get them. Yes. So, sometimes as a team, you have to defend, yes. And sometimes also attack once in a while, but not just trying to defend. It can happen. We have the numbers, we have the bodies, we have the players, we have the qualities, we have the money, we have the everything. Yes. So guys, and even when we look at the game, at the ending part of the first half, yes, we started that attacking powers. We started making the game uncomfortable for them, their defenders. Yes, making it hard. But one thing I didn't like about this game, the way they were doing their tackles. Charlie, we still have Premier League games to play. Let me say Champions League finals to play. Seven Premier League games to go. We must win all, at least all. Yes, and get Champions League football. So I wasn't happy. I was little bit skeptical for them to maybe get our players injured. Yes, the way they were putting in the tacklings. No. It's not, this is European competition. You play with brain and play with spaces, not just going in for tacklings. 1v1. No. So I was skeptical. I was very panicking. Yes, and luckily no player is injured. Yes, we can go to FC Town. I think they will come at Stamford Bridge. Yes, so that game we can approach it very well. Unless Maresca doesn't drink on that day again. If not that, Charlie, I don't want to see Maresca come out with Keenan and Co. Whilst Cole Palmer and Jackson and Co. Neto and Co. are on the bench. No. This game, Charlie, we must win it. Ipswich Town, we must win it. We must win it. That game, I mean it. The first league, we could not win it. I'm very, see, up to now, it's still paining me. It's Charlie. Guys, let's come back to this game. Yes, the players, they deliver, they play very well. One thing I like about this game, our young players, the academy players, they deliver. Yes, they show intensity. They prove to Chelsea fans that indeed they are ready. They prove to Maresca that indeed they can start for any Premier League game. Yes, when given the available opportunity. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And today I'll give you another video about Santos. Yes, Santos said he will join Chelsea, but he wants to get a playing time. For that matter, some fans are saying that Enzo Fernandez, Lavia or Keenan should pave way. Yes, I have that video. It's here. Please click to enjoy it. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it give me the belief and motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.